YouTube. Got a package in the mail today, so we're gonna have ourselves a good old unboxing. I put tape over my address, so I don't want no fan mail from y'all. For some reason, I don't know why, but they also had the address on the back. Not a clue why, but anyway, here it goes. Get my knife open here. Maybe. Not cut myself. Alright. Okay. Just changed this blade too, so this one's really sharp. I didn't get all the way through. That one did. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. It is Slipknot, All Hope Is Gone. I've been looking for this one for a while. Pretty cool. Let's see. Focus maybe. Let's get the saran wrap off and then we can look at it. Okay. Stupid label. Okay, there's the infamous parental advisory. Get away from the light there. Maybe. Well, there it is a little bit. Anyway. Oh crap, it has a sticker on top. Alright, hang on. I'll take the sticker off later. I just want to see what the goodies are inside. Alright. Booklet. There's a parental advisory sticker. It'll focus. There you go, parental advisory. Cool. Very awesome. There's the lead singer. This is one of my top favorite bands, next to Ozzy Osbourne and Marilyn Manson. There's the infamous Slipknot star. Come on. I think I'm really gonna like this album. Anyways, later.